You have to be balanced.
Exactly.
That's the only word that you have to have in everything.
100%.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
You're not gonna believe what happened to me in a supermarket. I'm not gonna mention the name, but this is happening here in a supermarket. That
You have to go to the
no,
gym.
exactly. I tell someone in the supermarket, I tell someone in the supermarket, look, don't give me plastic bags. Yeah, I can
Yeah.
take the things, keep it. I don't want it. And you know what they told me?
Very good.
They told me if you don't put the thing in the plastic bag, they're gonna think that you steal it.
But you know, Harry,
I'm like, guys, what were you crazy? What are you
but
thinking?
everything starts with the
What are you thinking?
mentality. So people have to be
So
conscious.
they told me, listen, you have to take the bag, otherwise when you leave in
That's
the door,
bad.
they will
Yeah,
stop you
I
and they're
know, I
gonna
know.
think that you stole. I'm like, "But how come I have the
Yeah,
things,
I
I have
know.
everything?" So it's a lot of work that needs to be
It's
done.
a lot of work.
A lot of work. Yeah, in Europe, in London where I live, there is more advanced. This
I know. Colombia is
way
the
advanced. Yeah,
same.
in
We don't
the
have over there too much bags
in
like
London,
that.
if you don't take your own bag, they charge you. You have to pay for the bag.
That's very good.
You know
That's an
how many times
example.
I go to buy stuff in London, I had to come back to my house to call to
You
because I
have to
forgot the
bring,
bag.
we have to bring
I
it to
forgot the
United
bag.
States.
Yeah, it's not that they at the end of the day, they don't charge that much for the bag. It's £1 or 50k, but you know. You go there and you feel a little bit strange buying the bag. People start to see you
No, I know,
a
I
little
know, I
bit
know.
strange.
And it's a lot
Everybody
of
goes with
plastic,
their own bag and everything.
plastic
And it's actually
bottles.
cool because you have your own bag that have your own personality. You
Yeah.
people buy the bag whatever they like. I have one very colorful or whatever.
So we're
Or I
going
have a
to
trolley
teach.
also. I have a trolley, and
Yes.
with the trolley we put the things and everything to avoid to use plastic.
It's
So I
just
think
to be conscient.
I don't know if you have been in
Just
Germany. Germany is amazing. Germany is
just
like
to
five
use.
bins. In Germany, they
Hmm.
have like 5 bins. They recycle everything from a long time.
I think we are very passionate about this.
They're
And I
brilliant, yeah.
love that.
I got a
And I
degree in
love that.
chemical engineering, so they show me this in university to look after the environment and everything. So it's already
I
embedded
love
in.
that.
They taught me that in university, when I was young, which is long time ago. Yeah. So and
So
then
that
so
is not
Karen, I think
about Harry.
this exhibition is about you, meaning and but not only about you because you want a better future for your daughter. You don't want to leave
Yeah, we
a
want to
dirty
have a
planet for
future
your
for
kid.
our
We
children.
have to have social responsibility because you have a kid,
Yeah.
yeah,
And also
and
with your own bodies. People have to
absolutely.
be healthy inside and outside.
A lot of people overweight
Yeah.
in United States. A lot
I'm
of
gonna be
pe-
40.
yeah. Wow, look at you. Look at you. Yeah. Well, I'm a big chubby. I do like to eat. Yeah. So I had to,
I'm gonna be 40 in
but
July 30.
I had to say that I have trained one of
I'm
the,
going to train you.
yeah. Well, I had trained all top head coaches in United Kingdom, in Singapore, in all over the place. I'm
Harry,
surrounded by them, and they always on
Harry,
top of me. Harry, pay
it's just about
attention.
the mind, nothing
Yeah,
else. Just about the mind.
I love to eat. I have to say, I love it. Yeah, I love food. I love restaurant. Yeah, and a little bit. I'm a
I
little bit
love it
indisciplined.
too.
And a little bit indisciplined. But I'm playing tennis. I play tennis. I do a lot of sports. I dance salsa a lot.
Don't
Uh,
worry, you're okay.
I always say
But
that
yeah,
I'm a little bit but I'm working on this. I'm working on this little by little in my own time. Yeah, because I have to enjoy the process. So
yes,
I'm doing
yes.
a lot of exercise and I'm looking more and more to eat
I'm gonna
healthy.
tell you one advice, and it's
Tell
something
us.
very easy. It's
Yeah.
not difficult. I don't believe like in the way people think you have to eat. It's very crazy sometimes.
Mm.
There's many ways that people say you have to eat this. No, you don't have to eat. No, but you have to eat. I heard many things different. And I said, what? This is completely insane. You can stop eating, first of all. You can stop, and you cannot let eating either.
Yeah, exactly. This is
So
what I'm
the
doing.
only,
This is what I'm doing. I'm eating healthy Monday to Friday, and
no, listen,
Saturday and Sunday I eat whatever I want.
listen. You have to be balanced. That's
Exactly.
the only word that you have to have in everything.
100%.
Balanced food. You
Yeah,
can eat
yeah,
whatever, but in a balance.
yeah.
That's it.
100%. Yeah, yeah. So we had to. So we are, and I do travel a lot, and this is a problem because you eat a lot in hotels, and especially in
That's what you have.
London. When I'm
I
in
ate,
London, yeah,
Harry, I eat everything. I
yeah, yeah.
never do any
Yeah, but you
diet,
know,
nothing.
when I'm in London, when we're in London, everybody call you, Harry, come, let's invite you to eat,
That
let's invite you to eat, let's invite you to eat. So I need to
happens to me too.
exactly. So you have to because of social commitments, and people take you to a restaurant and they like, oh, then you have a
No,
lot of
but it's
Indian
not
food,
excuse.
you have this, you have that. So at the end of
Harry,
the day,
it's
you
not
end up in a
excuse.
place.
It's not excuse.
Of course, it's no excuse, but
Stop
I'm
with
telling you,
excuses.
like difficult if you like to eat, yeah, and the
You have to eat
uh,
something more healthy. That's it.
yes, yeah, and try to, I'm cooking my own food. Yeah, I'm taking the time to prepare my own food. To don't eat processed
Yeah.
food, and
When you go to the
we
restaurant,
source
for
the food.
example, try to eat steak
Yeah,
with salad and not
yeah,
much, for
like you said,
example, rice
try
or
to eat.
potatoes.
Yeah. So, but anyway, I'm getting there. I'm getting there, and I'm gonna be helping you out the best that I can with your exhibition here in Miami. So again, I made sure Lily and I that we surround ourselves with
Of
people in
course,
the
I'm so happy.
health environment because of this energy always come to
It's
us.
good.
Absolutely, and they give us a lot of tips, and they always keep us on track, and it's and to be healthy. Look, the people, everybody that come to this podcast, all the millionaires,
Balance.
no, all the
Balance.
millionaires,
That's it.
they prefer to change all the millions for one day more of life. So sometimes
Yeah.
people don't understand how health is important. Yeah, and for
Yeah, it's very
you,
important.
I want to congratulate you because
Thank
you
you.
you want to keep not only yourself healthy, which is something that you could do,
I
but you
think
want to amplify.
that's the success of
You
life.
want everybody to be healthy. You want
Yeah.
everybody to do sports. You want everybody to give
To
a
eat
better
balanced.
planet, to have balance, and to have a better planet for the children, for the generation to come.
Yeah.
Not only thinking
I
about
would
your own
love that.
daughter, but so whatever you believe yourself, and this is the first, what we call it always. This is the first step of the movement. Yeah, you have to do it and believe it yourself. And the people that will join your movement, they believe what you believe. Yeah,
They
that's
believe
why
what you believe.
they
Yeah.
believe what you believe. So I'm trying.
I
That's what I'm
think
saying. We will
if you
help you
want to
because
be
we believe
happy
what you believe.
when you get old, Harry,
I'm already old.
what do you need?
Older.
Health. You need
Yeah,
health more than money.
absolutely.
There's
Absolutely.
many people, a lot of rich people, and they don't have any health.
Absolutely.
So what do
Absolutely.
you want in your life?
Yeah. That's the other
A
thing.
lot of money and
Yeah,
not health?
we talk a lot about this podcast. A lot of entrepreneurs. Even myself. One of the reasons that I'm a little bit overweight is in my life as an entrepreneur. I'm always thinking how to make the money. Always think I want to make a million. I want to become a millionaire. And
Harry,
I was doing a
I have
crazy
to go.
lifestyle.
I'm
Yes.
sorry so
So
much.
tell us, like, where can we find you? If people are in love with the conversation, where can they find you?
Okay,
And
they can
uh,
find me on
and how the
Instagram.
process works. Where? Tell us because there are people listening in the
Okay,
car.
perfect. They can find me on my website and Instagram and LinkedIn. My name on Instagram is Karen Murillo Gallo. LinkedIn también, Karen Andrea Murillo.
Mhm.
And my website is www.alkamarketing.com.
Okay. And if somebody want to
That's me.
contact you, want to know more about the event, want to
Okay,
be a
my number,
sponsor, want to be this, just give them your number so they can contact you.
yeah, 754-457-8939.
Brilliant. So
Yeah.
thank you so much, Karen. This broadcast has been amazing. Yeah, I
Thank you,
want to
Harry.
congratulate you as healthy women, mom, entrepreneur. I wish you the
Be
best.
healthy.
We will try to help you the best we can because we believe what you believe that we can be healthy, we can be happy, we can
Healthy,
make
happy,
money,
and go
and we
and
can
get.
look after the environment at the same time. So for all of
Oh,
you,
it's
see you
so
in our
beautiful.
next episode of On Stop of How Brave Entrepreneur like Karen break that wall and achieve the first million. Bye for now.
Thank you.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.